Hello, Cancer. Welcome to your reading. So, this reading is for May 28th to May 31st. No? So, Cancer, para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, and comment below kung kayo nakaka-resonate. Hit the notification bell para po ma-notify kayo every time na gumagawa po tayo ay nagre-release ng bagong video. No? So, Cancer, kung gusto niyo po ng dalawang reading sa akin, meron po doon sa kabilang channel, that is Babaylan TV. Yan po ang ating unang channel catered for our international audience, no? So, kung gusto niyo rin pong sumali sa ating live sessions, doon din po yun sa kabilang channel, Babaylan TV. Ayan. So, Cancer, kung wala po kayong time, no, para mag-join sa ating live sessions, meron naman po dito, no, sa comment section sa YouTube, as long as yung question po is answerable by yes or no. O yan. So, Cancer, kung hindi naman po kayo masasatisfy at feeling nyo hindi talaga kayo masasatisfy sa yes or no na sagot, sa description box po, no, meron po dong link. Either i-click nyo po yung link or ika-copy nyo, no? Then, ma-route kayo doon po sa ating website or web page, no? Meron po dong form, no? May drop down po, good for 1 question, 2 questions, and we have a promotion of 4 plus 1. So, take advantage of it, no? Kung gusto nyo rin pong pag-avail ng ating personal reading or private reading, doon din po yun sa description box. So, Cancer, this is general, no? You may resonate with the entire reading. You may resonate with some bits and pieces of the reading. Take what's only yours. Alright, simulan na natin. Cancer, no? I feel like meron ditong gustong bumalik, gustong sabihin natin na magpakita uli. So, merong separations right away, no? I feel like yung isa na nag-aantay, no? Alam niya na babalik din itong taong ito. Alam niya na someday, no? Or very soon, na magpapakita uli at makikipag-usap sa kanya itong taong ito. With the 10 of Pentacles, the World card, and the 3 of Wands. So I feel like yung separation dito meron talagang distance. Either this person is from a different barrio, different barangay, city, state, county, country, no? Baka OFW, no? Distance ang medyo ang kanilang challenges, no? Ang inyong challenges, Cancer. With the Ace of Cups and the 8 of Pentacles. For a few numbers of you, it relates to work or money with the 10 of Pentacles. Work is the 8 of Pentacles. So I feel like kahit malayo, no? Either nag-away man yan or really needed to earn money or for career wise, no, for a greener pasture, meron talagang distance, pero ang love nila is parang never changed. Ang nakikita ko nga with the Ace of Wands, the Mother of Pentacles, and the Son of Swords, pagbalik nito, no, I think ready na gumawa ng family, ready na gumawa ng another chapter, you know, of their life. Ang nakakita ako dito ng cohabitation, proposal, or marriage. I'm also seeing here with the Ace of Pentacles, the Moon card. No? Siguro ang agam-agam lang nitong taong to. Is my person still the same? No? Pagbalik ko, siya pa rin kaya yung taong kilala ko? Ganun pa rin kaya ako niya kamahal? Meron bang nagbago, no? Pero kung makikita nyo naman, no, with the cards in here, kung umalis ito for a greener pasture, I think na gagawin niya yung kanyang pangako, no, na mag-iipon ako, magpapakita ako, this time paninindigan kita. Ayan. So, Cancer, this is your reading for today, no? And check natin yung zodiac sign, no, ng tao, ng person mo. I am seeing here Pisces, Sagittarius, Taurus, Leo. I'm also seeing Cancer, pwedeng kapwa Cancer to, Scorpio, no? So this is your reading. For those of you who's new to the channel, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo nakaka-resonate, hit the notification bell. At kung gusto nyo pong sumali sa ating live session, sa kabilang channel po yun. And pwede kayong magtanong as long as the question is answerable by yes or no. Meron din po tayong question form sa description box. All you just have to do is to either click the link, copy the link, then you will be routed to my website. Drop down the question, follow the instructions, take advantage of the promos. And kung gusto nyo rin po ng private reading, dito din po yun sa description box. Love and light. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na reading. Goodbye, Cancer.